Open. Computer's just warming up. Computer's just warming up. Let's see what we got here. Let's go to the next song. Alright, here's the challenge here. Shortest mode. You're required to write a program that detects food crime at the mall. Really? Okay, the program scans a customer's basket, outputs the behavior to adopt in case there is one or more forbidden combinations of food in it. Forbidden combinations. Not stealing. All forbidden food combinations are given in input, as well as a list of items in the customer's basket. A forbidden food combo is a list of item names that, if all are present at least once in the basket, it should trigger a correctional response. There are 3 levels of actions. The basket has no forbidden food, do nothing. If there's exactly one, politely ask the customer to return the basket. Otherwise, a call to security is needed. An integer being the number of forbidden food combinations. Space-separated item names, which are items that are not supposed to be together in a basket. Space-separated item names, which are present in the customer's basket. Call security of 2 or more forbidden combination. Call security or potential or polite denial if one forbidden food combo exists. Otherwise, all good. Pizza, pineapple. Oh dear. Forbidden combos? I don't know. Are they always 2 or more forbidden food combinations? And then the basket? Oh dear. Ba-da-da-da-bum, ba-da-da-da-bum, ba-bum-bum-bum-bum-bum, ba-da-da-da-bum. So how would we do this? I don't even know. Light explodes. So do we just turn these combos into what? First of all, we have a variable amount of combos, so we need a vector for that. And then we have the combos themselves. Are they all 2? It doesn't actually say. It doesn't actually say. All words are lowercase. That's the one caveat, I guess. Okay, so let's just make a vector of... and a food combo. I mean, they're not even in order alphabetically. So we need a vector of strings for the combos. So that's a combo right there. And then we have the list of combos, which is a vector of... Then can we get a vector of combos? No. But we can define a type. Okay. How do you get a vector of vectors? I just want a dynamic list of combos. So don't we have to define that as a type? So what if we go struct combo? And the combo is a vector of strings. Items. Now we can go a vector of combos. Digital Symphony. Vector of combos.
Guided by an unseen star, every moment feels so free in this digital symphony.
So that doesn't work because you can't do this in the browser thing? Okay, so I can't use the browser compiler to create my own types. So then how are we going to do this? I guess, I don't know. We could just do parallel. So we could just create a list of the forbidden items. I learned to see. It doesn't give me the limits of n, so I really can't create a maximum number of them. Clear. We could start with 10, I guess. Step by step, I go. Try to lead, I am here to help you through every task I learn from you. But let's just go to the next one. I was going to go ask AI, but let's just go to the next one. I mean, if I can't create my own types, then I could do it, but I'd rather... Okay, good. 7 seconds away. Here we go. Here we go. So effortlessly. Dun, dun, dun. Bum, 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 bum. I do have plans, by the way, for those of you who are tuning in from the school, or who even are considering the school. We're going to go through and we're going to focus on making things fun. I haven't made a game yet. I haven't made a game and released it. I haven't made anything fun yet, is what it boils down to. So we're going to include a fun factor in the video games. And the school's going to focus on making a game, rather than making graphics, making this, making that. So we're going to focus on games and the building blocks that make the games. So like GUI design, basic physics, basic particle system, a scoring system, and collision detection. We're going to work on all these things because it says, let's see, where was it at? Ask students to create a simple game where player controls a character to collect items and then avoid obstacles. Okay? And then we'll have animations, we'll have simple physics, we'll get into C++ classes, and I'll explain that, but I'll be doing it over and over again, so that'll be pretty easy to pick up, hopefully. And let's see here. Yeah, See, this one's pretty good. Create a simple game where objects fall due to gravity and collide with the ground. Experiment with different transformations and physics properties. See, the idea is to create something that is reusable in the game. So then you're creating a game engine. Something that's more easily usable in the future. That's the idea behind classes, is to you create an object that you can then just plop into your code and use it. You create it once, use it forever. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, fastest mode. Given n the number of lines, and also list strings of n lines of elements separated by spaces input. Your task is to print the transposed matrix. Excuse me. With elements in the same line separated by a space. I gotta finish my coffee. All lines must contain the same number of elements not proven valid if n is 0. What are we doing? Oh. Your task is to print the transposed matrix. So it's the same as rotating 90 degrees, that other one. I didn't do that other one. Given the n number of lines and also a list string of n lines, elements separated by spaces and put your task printer. All lines must contain the same number of elements, so it doesn't tell you a limit on the number of elements. Oh, and 100. Oh, okay. Well, with this one we could probably use vectors. But again, we're getting a number and then we're getting, yeah, so we need a vector of a vector. Okay, hold on. Let's just go here. In C++. This is my last challenge because I have 10 minutes and I gotta go to work. But I'll be off work at noon-ish. It's gonna be busier than you know what today, I think, because there was just a ton of people in town this morning, or yesterday. Ton, we're talking a ton. Like cram them in, cram more people in, park here, park there. Create a vector of vectors. Oh, so you can just do that? Add some vectors to the vector of vectors. Access elements. And then that's just an auto iteration through the entire vector of vectors? Really? I need to play around with that in actual Visual Studio. Not right now. Wait, why not? This approach is flexible and allows you to dynamically manage a 2D array-like structure. If you have any specific requirements for plans for your Well, I'm highly doubtful that I'll be able to do this, but let's just try it. Yeah, that works. So now we want to parse this and get the integers out. So we want to create a nice string stream. Wait, we don't need it there, we need it here. So what we want is a vector that we're going to push, because we're going to get, so that's fine, we can go vector of ints, also token, wait, not pushback, s2i, token. And then when we're done with that, then we go vec of vex, pushback, also token. See, I don't even know what to do with this. I guess I have 10 minutes to figure it out. So let's see out at this point. Also token dot length, no size, and see what that gives me. And I also want to see out at this point vec of vex dot size. And then I'm a little bit curious if I go see out vec of vex 0 dot size, what does that give me? Let's see what that does. Oh, so we actually got something. So the first one's 4, and then vec of x becomes a size of 1, because there's 1. Oh, that makes sense. And then the first one is 4. Okay. And then 4, 2, And that one's still 4. Okay. Whoever's there, hello, hello. Outer space. Uh-oh, rewards enabled on channel. British Rob TTV, easy win for me. Wait, what? Oh, are you Rob G? What's up, Rob G? 32.91 once. I'm only like 17,000. How you doing? Good show, man. Thanks for watching the stream. I'm just figuring out vectors of vectors. I should have done this in the last challenge, but I didn't really rage quit, but I have no time this morning. I have to start getting ready for work in about 7 minutes. So I think this approach will work. And then what I want to do is, what do I want to do? Transpose list of strings are invalid or none. All lines containing if not print invalid. So I need to go through all of the vector of x, make sure they're all the same size. Also, if any of them are 0, or if it is 0, print none. So we can do that. If vec of vex dot size equals 0, then we just want to out none. I literally have to go to the bathroom, and I might have to leave right away here to go to the bathroom. Coffee has been assimilated. Okay, so that takes care of that. If all the lines are the same, so now we need to cycle through all of the vector of x. So let's try that. I can do that quickly. I'm pretty sure. Vec of vex dot size I plus plus. Okay, we need an initial size for comparison. Compare equals 0. If I equals 0, compare equals vec of vex dot size. No. 0 dot size. So then what we want to do is, if else, we need a trigger. So if vec of vex sub I dot size is not equal to compare, do a couple things. First we'll go compare equals like -9 just to show it, and then break. On this enchanted day. I asked for the AI. I asked for the AI to create a Mary Poppins-like song based on the coding school that I was thinking of talking about with it. If compare is less than 0, then we're going to see out invalid. Okay, so that'll do that, and then pardon me, stomach is definitely digesting here. Okay, so otherwise we need to transpose. Are there any empties? Invalid? Okay, so other than printing it out up here, okay, which we don't actually need that anymore. So that would actually go through it. So I would get all the nones and invalids, and I have 2.5 minutes then to transpose. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so now we know compare is the size. So let's go for in I equals. Oh wait, we can do an else right here. So let's do an else here. Remember those days. For in I equals 0, I is less than compare. Because that's the size of the inner vector. Inner vectors, that's what I meant to say. So now we want to compare. Dun, 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 dun. So this will go through 4. Weave on. And then we just need to see out and vec of vex. And we're gonna go with dreams in the distance. Dum bum 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 bum. 499. We hold tight. So this is gonna be the number. That's the initial number they give you, which is what? N. All right, let's go N. So vector of x, we're going to print the vector j. Okay. And then we want the songs of old. Wait, and as we go through, so as we go down, we want that. Dreams in the distance. Dun, 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 dun. 499. We hold tight. No, we're doing it the wrong way. So let's just swap these real quick. Friends through the darkest night. So now we want to go. So we want to print j of I, but then it's going to print 4 of them. We're going to cycle through. Compare goes up each time, and j is what we want. Oh, okay. Oh, am I out of time? Shoot, Shih Tzu. All right. Last play. Oh wait, did I do a last play? With my. I might have got some percent if it counts the nuns and invalids. We'll see if it does. Takes forever to do the C++ stuff, so. Go, computer. I gotta go to the bathroom. In the distance, dun, 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 we hold tight. Alright, I can't even stick around to watch this. I gotta go. I literally have to go. Thanks, everybody. And, 25. Yeah, I got all the nuns and invalids. Alright, have a great day, everybody. No time to raid either, so